Good morning, my student. Today we'll revise together chapter 13. Pay attention with me. At first, this first slide is talking about the measure of metric length. Okay. Now, this question is rename each unit of measure. Letter A, 120 centimeter equal dots meter. Now, look at me. Look at this table. Centimeter to meter. How many? Move it. 1, 2. Then multiply 10 and then divided 10 and then divided 10. Mean divided by 100. Why 100? Because move two places. Divided 10 and then divided 10. Then the distance is 2 move. Then divided by 100. Then 120 divided by 100 equal 1.2. Because we moved the decimal point two places. 1 and then 2. Then the point here between 1 and 2. The second, 584 meter equal dots kilometer. Look here. Here is meter. Where is kilometer? Now this way. Then from this way, from meter to centimeter divided by 10, divided by 100, divided by 1000, divided by 1000. Then the point is divided. Yes, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Then 1, 2, 3. Then the point here is 0.584. The second is 4.5 kilometer equal dots meter. Look at here. From kilometer to meter. Where is kilometer here? Look at kilometer. Yes. Where is the meter here? Now we have to, from this way, multiply 10, multiply 100, multiply 1000 again. 1, 2, 3. Move it 3, then multiply it by 1000. Then the point will move 3 places to the right. This 1, and there isn't another number, then put 2, 0. Then the answer is 4,500. 43 decimeter equal dots centimeter. Where is decimeter here? This decimeter. Where is centimeter? This beside it. Then from decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 1. Yes, multiplying by 10. Multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. Then 43 multiply 10 equal 430. 12 meter to centimeter. Where is the meter? Yes, this is, yes, this meter. Where is centimeter? Yes, 1, 2. Then multiply. 1, 2. Multiply 2 places mean multiply 10 and then multiply 10. Then multiply by 100. Then 12 multiply 100 equal? Yes, 1,200. The second slide is talking about metrics A capacity. The capacity is liter. Okay, let's talking about the first 9.2 milliliter dots liter. Where is milliliter here? It's milliliter. Where is liter? Oh, from least to greatest. From least to greatest. Then divided by 1, 2, 3. Mean divided 10 and then divided 10 and then divided 10 means divided by 1000. Then the point it will move 3 places to the left. Here is, it will be here 1 and then put 2, 0. Then the answer is 0.0092 liter. 2.8 hectoliter equal dots liter. From this. 2 liter. Where is liter then? 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2. Move how many places? 2. Then multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Then 2.8 multiply 100. Move the decimal point 2 places. 1 and then another pots, another 0. Then the answer is 280. 800 liter dots kiloliter. 800 liter. Yes, from 800 liter to kiloliter, move this way. Divided 10, divided 10, divided 10. Mean divided by 1000. Then the point will move 3 decimal places to the left. There is a decimal point in this place. Then 1, 2, and then 3. then the answer is 0.800. 0.800 kiloliter. 15,000 milliliter equal dot liter. What is 15? Yes, milliliter. 2 liter. With liter here. Then divided 10 and then divided 10 and divided 10. Then divided by 1,000. Then the point will move decimal 3 decimal place to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then the answer is 15. 15 centiliter equal dots milliliter. Is centiliter to milliliter. Multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. Then 150. The third slide is talking about the measurements for math. Yes. 97 milligram equal dots centigram. What is milligram? This milligram to centigram. Then divide or multiply from least to greatest. Divided by one place, divided by 10. Then 97 divided 10 moves this point one place. Then the point is between 9 and 7. The answer is 9.7 centigram. 5,600 gram equal dots kilogram. Where is gram? It's a gram. Where is the kilogram? Yes, this kilogram. Move the decimal. Yes, multiplied by or divided. No, divided, because we're going from least to greatest. Divided 10 and then divided 10 and then divided 10 means divided by 1,000. The point moves 3 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then the point is between 5 and 6. Then the answer is 5.600 kilogram. The next, 230 decigram equal dots gram. Then from decigram to gram. Then move from the least to greatest. Then divided by 10. Then the point move decimal one place. Then the answer is 23 gram. 82,500 centigram equal dot kilogram. From centigram to kilogram. Wow. Move how many? From centigram to kilogram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided 10, divided 100, divided 1,000, divided 10,000, divided 100,000. How many places? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means divided by 100,000. Then move the decimal point how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. Move 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is here. Then 0.825. 952 hectogram equal dots gram. From hectogram to gram, multiply by how many places? 1, 2, 2 jump, 1, 2. Then multiply 10, multiply 10. Both multiply by 100, 100. Then 952 multiply 100 equals 95,200. Let's review about the parameter. Find the parameter of each polygon. Look at me. Look at this graph or this shape. Look. The parameter means the sum of all sides lengths. Look. We have here two lenses, 36 plus 36. We have 60, then 36 plus 36 plus 60. Plus 12 and 12 means 36 plus 60 plus 36 plus 12 inches. We have another, this 20 and this 20, then 36 plus 36 plus 60 plus 12 inch plus 12 inch plus 20 plus 20 plus this line. But this line, what's the measure of this line? Look, pay attention. This 60. This line, this red line is equal to, this red line is equal to these two, green and the yellow. Then both two lines are equal. Then this line is equal 60. And this green line is 12 inch, and this another 12 inch. Then this line, this red line is 60, and these three, the length of these three lines equals of 60. Then the yellow line is equal to 60 minus the sum, 12 and 12 equal 24, then 60 minus 24 equal 36. Then the length of this yellow line equal 36. Now the parameter is equal to, started 36, yes, plus 60 plus 36 plus 12 plus 20 plus 36 plus 20 plus 12 inch. Then 36 inch and 36 inch together equals 72 inch plus 60. 12 inch and 12 inch equals 24 inches. 20 inch and 20 inch equal 40 plus 36. Then the answer will be 232 inches. Okay. The second question here. We need to calculate or find the parameter of each of this polygon. Look, 90 plus this 90 plus 10 plus 55 plus 60 meter plus 20 plus 15. But we have two lengths unknown. Look, this line, how measure the length of this line? We don't know. Then pay attention with me. Look, this line and this line is equal to what? This line and this line, both of them equal to the red and green. Again, yes, again. This line and this line, both of them is equal to the red line and also the green line. Then both of them are equal. Look, the red line is equal to 90 meter and the green is 15. Then both of them equal 105. Then both of them equal, the purple and this blue, both of them equals 105 meters also. If the purple, yes, is 60 meters, then what's the measure? The length, the measure of this length is equal to, yes, 105 minus 60. Why we said 105? Because both of them equal 105 minus 60 equals 45 meter. Then this length is equal to 45 meter. We know it now, but we still have a problem here. What about this line? The measure of this line is, look, this line plus this short line is equal to, look here, this line and this line is equal to, yes, and this. Then we have both of them is equal to, both of them, the length of both to these two line segment is equal to both this line segment. Look, this is 55, the length of this 55 meter, and this also 10 meters. Then both of them equal 65 meter. Now look at the second, we have here 20 meter. Then the measure of this, the blue line, this blue line segment is equal to 65 minus 20, because both of them is equal 65, and this also only 20 meter. Then the blue line segment is equal to 65 minus 20 equal 45. Now we have 45, and this line is 45. Yes. Then try to calculate again. Then the answer is, the parameter is 90 plus 10 plus 45 plus 50 plus 60 plus 20 plus 15 plus 45. If you calculated find the sum will be 340 meters. Now use formula to find the area. We have here this figure formed from figure A and figure B. Both of them are rectangle then, and we said before that the area of rectangle equal length multiply width. Then look at the first is A means area equal length multiply width. The area is here. Yes, 40. Yes, this one's look. Look at A. Yes, the first is A is equal to length multiply width. Which one? Here is 41 and a quarter inch multiplied by 22. Then 41 and a quarter mean 41.25 inch multiplied by 22 is equal to 907.5 inch square. The second, area equal length multiply width, because both of them, because it's a rectangle. Then area equal 30 and a quarter means 30.25, because quarter means 25 hundredths. Then 30 and a quarter mean 30.25 inches multiplied by 88 inch. Then the answer, if we multiply, it will be 2,662 inch square or square inch. Then we can need to calculate the total area. Then the total area finds the sum between both. The total area is equal to 907.5 square inch plus 2,662 square inch. Both of them equal 3,569.5 square inch. Look at the second, use formula to find the area. We have here we have two squares here, two squares. We can calculate the area of one of them and then the area of the second, and then find the sum. Look at this, we have A and B. A is equal S multiply SY, means side multiply side, because it's a square, and the area of square is equal side multiply side. Then 8.3 multiply 8.3 equal 68.89 square meter. The second, B, is also a square, side multiply side. Then area is equal 8 multiply 8.3 meter multiply 8.3 meter equal 60.89 square meter. Then both of them, the area of total, will find the sum 68.89 square meter plus 68.89 square meter. Then the sum of them equal 137.78 square meter. Thank you.